Well, hi there. Today's task is to take the cut out the centre section for the electronics bay. What I've done is I've got some masking tape down and I've placed the components on the masking tape to give me an idea of how much space I'm going to be required to cut out of the bay. And then I've drawn round each part, and so it's going to be easy to then cut out this section here. There's our motor sitting in the mountain mount. What I did last night after the camera went down is I just epoxied the plate in. I won't screw that in just yet. We'll wait for that for a little while, so that'll help us get the CFG spot on. We can move that up and down just to tweak the CFG. Okay, so the plan here is quite a shocking. What we're going to do is going to be quite shocking to a lot of you guys. We're just going to cut this whole section out, and then I find after building a couple of these, I found the easiest way to do is to just cut the whole section out and then fit onto the bottom a sheet of the Coralex, and then make a Coralex lid for the top. And the Coralex, you see, it's going to be plenty strong enough, because once we've got the reinforcement mesh on the bottom with the 3M90 and the laminate, it'll be really strong. So don't worry about weakening the plane. We hack it all out, and it's going to be fine. Okay, I'll just find a nice straight edge and I will fast forward through this bit, and you might even see the return of the hammer. By the way, what I've got is I've got a box here that this dimension here is 90mm, and so we've got two 90mm here. Okay, 90mm. Trying to write upside down. And this dimension here is 130mm. Now, I'm not suggesting that you follow those exact dimensions, but you know, obviously people will have different things going on in there, but that's probably about as big as you want to go, really. Okay, let's carry on. Hammer. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so we can use this piece here to cut us out, make us cut out the the bottom Corex box. Now, you're probably, eagle-eyed viewers will probably be noticing that I haven't yet done the bottom carbon piece. That's only, there's no reason for that, it's just because I haven't had a chance to, but hopefully if you follow the plan, just do it with when you do the second one. I'll probably do it tonight. Okay. So what I'll do next is I'll make the Corex bottom plate, because I don't really like looking at that big hole very much. Okay, I'll just set that up for that. Okay, so using a piece of the Corex that you got with the kit, just place your cut out piece of EPP on there, and then with a pen, you can see that we've got, like, I don't know, what's that? That's what, 10mm or so. We've got 12mm there, and yeah, give it about 12mm, half an inch. So that's 12 there. And what we'll do is, we'll just follow the Corex line like that. Okay. So there's our, that's basically what we're going to be doing. It's going to be sticking that on there. And you can see that that's why the carbon strips need to be placed there, is so that we can, the closer, obviously the closer they are to the leading edge, the bigger this box can be, but we can't put them too far aft, otherwise we won't be able to make the box at all. So we're going to get that sort of square, and then, well, hold on, what I'll do is I'll just put some tape down there and I'll reset everything, and we'll be back in a sec. Okay, so what I've done is I've put some masking tape on the bottom of the, remember this plate is going to go on the bottom of the wing. It's the base of the electronics bay. The top, the lid, is going to be hinged. This part is going to be glued straight in. So what I've done, just put some masking tape down there, and I have got our base piece, and using the block that came out, I've just put some masking tape down and I've just roughly drawn around it. And the object for that is we can then put that underneath. We can then place it down so that we can see the lines like that, and then we can then slide it over to the edge of the table. In fact, let's just do it up here. Just do it freehand like that. There we go. That's good. And then turn the whole thing over and then draw around it. That way the plate is in the middle of the hole. There we go. So what the plan is now is to make a cut down into the bottom of the wing, only the thickness of the Corex, because the object is we want this to be nice and flush with the bottom of the wing. Now, to be honest, you don't have to spend hours getting it right, because once we've got the mesh over it and the laminate over it, it's all gonna blend in. As long as it's fairly good, that's good enough for me. Okay, so I'll just start hacking this out, and then I'll fast forward it as I do, and you'll see the procedure. We're going to use Yoo-hoo again to glue it down. Okay, I'll do this. Alright. Perfect. That's not bad looking. I'll just take the tape off this. Okay, that's good. So that's nice and flush and ready to be glued down. So what I'll do is I'll get the Yoo-hoo and glue that down. Okay, so I've got some Yoo-hoo pour. I've been keeping this inside on a radiator, so it comes out nice and easily. Same procedure as with the joining the wings together. Just paste it on. And then offer the two pieces together. To be honest, you could probably do this one wet. You could, yeah, do this one wet, but I'll do it as normal with the contact method, and then just glue it on. More of it here. And what I will do as well is when the glue, when I've put that in like that, up inside there I will run some hot glue in the corner all the way around, just as a sort of extra strength system. So I will let that, just sort of wiggle that around a bit more. Okay, that's ready to go off. Leave that to sort of go tacky 15 minutes, have a cup of tea, and I'll be back.